Good day. I'm Alaysa Milagat from BSCS 4A. And today I will discuss what is operating system. Operating system program that manage a computer resources, especially the allocation of those resources among other programs. Typical resources include the central processing units, computer memory, file storage, input-output devices, and network connection. An operating system is system software that manage computer hardware, software resources, and provide common services for computer program. So these are the basic functions of an operating system. Management tasks include scheduling resources used to avoid conflict and interference between programs. Unlike most programs, which complete a task and terminate, an operating system runs indefinitely and terminates only when the computer is turned off. So these are the basic functions of an operating system. First is the hardware management. One of the most important basic functions of an operating system is the management of all the computer's internal and external hardware. The operating system controls all connected devices, telling them how to operate and interact. The result of said operation and interaction are the basic performance of the computer. Some examples of the hardware that operating system control include the hard disk, optical drives, video cards, and external part controller, such as USB and FireWire. Second, we have the program control. Operating system also run programs, enabling them to operate and function as designed. Programs have to be designed to run with a particular operating system. In order to function as the operating system needs to display any interfaces and facilitate communication among the programs and your computer connected hardware without the operating system to run it, program can perform their task. Third, we have the data access. The operating system is also in charge of accessing, storing, and retrieving data on the computer hard drive. So, this is also manage data stored temporarily in the computer RAM memory. Fourth, we have the system resources management. The operating system manages a computer resources, allocating them as needed. Which tasks the CPU processes is what order, which function or programs are assigned, processing, power, or memory first, and many other important resources allocation tasks are controlled by the operating system. Last, we have the network communication. The operating system also facilitates network communication by enabling connected network devices to communicate with the computer and with any program that required them. So, why are operating systems so important? An operating system is the most important software that runs on the computers. It manages the computer's memory and processes as well as all of this software and hardware. It also allows you to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak the computer language. An operating system has three main functions. First, manage the computer's resources such as the central processing units, memory, disk drive, and printer. Second, establish a user interface. And third is the execute and provide services for application software. The purpose of operating system is to manage computer memory, processes, and the operation of all hardware and software. An operating system is the most important software in a computer as it enables the computer hardware to communicate effectively with all other computer software. So these are the types of operating system. We have batch OS, distributed OS, multitasking OS, network OS, real OS, and the last one is the mobile operating system. The advantage of the multiprocessing system are increased throughput. By increasing the number of processors, more work can be complete in a unit time. Second, we have the cost saving. Parallel systems share the memory, buses, peripherals, etc. Multiprocessor system that saves money as compared to multiple single system. The last one is what is the GUI. A graphical user interface is a type of user interface through which users interact with electronic devices via visual indicator presentation. It is the common user interface that includes graphical representation like buttons and icons. And communication can be performed by interacting with this icon rather than the usual text-based or command-based communication. A common example of the graphical user interface is the Microsoft operating system. That's all. Thank you.